The common merganser, scientifically known as Mergus merganser, is an elegant waterfowl species found in freshwater habitats across North America, Europe, and Asia. Renowned for its sleek and streamlined appearance, with distinctive markings, this bird is a member of the duck family, boasting unique characteristics that make it a captivating subject of study. From its vibrant plumage to its remarkable feeding habits, the common merganser combines beauty and functionality, contributing to the diverse tapestry of natural environments. With a diet consisting of fish, insects, and crustaceans, it showcases both hunting prowess and adaptation to its surroundings, making it a living testament to the wonders of nature. This species adds a touch of magic to the ever-evolving story of our natural world. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the enchanting world of the common merganser. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating insights into the wonders of nature. Until next time, happy bird watching.